Very good morning children. I Sri Lakshmi, your physics teacher, DAV RTP. Today we are going to discuss about the how plastic makes the environmental pollution. What are the effects of plastic in environment? So, environment is the surroundings is called as environment. How does the plastic get polluted? How does the plastic make the environment to pollute? What are the harmful effects of this plastic? What are the harmful effects caused by the plastic? Why this plastic takes several years to decompose? This plastic make the environmental pollution. Why? Because to disappear the plastic, it takes more time. If we observe the garbage dumps, they will find more number of plastic bags. They are present for longer duration because they won't decompose very easily. To decompose the plastic bags, it takes several years, long time. Due to that reason, the plastic bags remain stable for longer duration. It causes dirty to the land, so it causes pollution. To overcome this problem, we have to take some steps. We have to follow some rules. This plastic is non-reactive with any other. The plastic is non-reactive with others. Due to that, it takes more time to decompose. And if we observe, the plastic bags find especially the animals like cows. Animals like cows, they eat the plastic bags with the food. So it causes the indigestion problem to the animals like cows. So they're dead. So we have to reduce the usage of plastic. What is meant by decomposition? Decomposition means the splitting of the component into smaller parts. Splitting of the component into smaller components, smaller fragments, smaller pieces. That process is called as decomposition. The presence of sunlight, oxygen and water. The splitting of larger component into smaller fragments in presence of sunlight, oxygen and water, that process is called as decomposition. Decomposition means what? The splitting of larger fragment into the smaller fragment. Fragments means pieces. A larger thing split into smaller pieces in presence of sunlight, oxygen and water. So this process is called as decomposition. The plastic do not turn into pieces in presence of sunlight, oxygen and water. So plastic do not decompose very easily. And if we want to observe the decomposition, how much time it takes to decompose, we have to do the activity. For that, we have to take some peels of vegetables and fruits. Kitchen waste, that is peels of vegetables and fruits we have taken, and some papers we have taken, cotton cloth we are taking, and then plastic bags we are taking. Now we want to observe the time for decomposition. How much time they will take to decompose? Peels of vegetables and fruits, papers, cotton cloth and plastic bags. To observe the duration of decomposition, we have to take a pit. That means pit is nothing but a small, the pit means a small hole which is in the soil. So this is the soil. We have to make a small hole into the soil. Then we have to keep these peels of vegetables and fruits into that pit and we have to cover with the soil. Again, we have to keep some soil over that pit to cover it. Similarly, do the remaining pits also. In that in one we have taken the pits of vegetables and fruits, and in other we have to take the papers, and in third one we are going to take cotton cloth. In fourth one we are going to take the plastic bags. After few days, that means after 3 or 4 days, if we observe these pits, the first one becomes decomposed, means it turned into soil. Whereas in second, it takes some more time. In third, it takes some more time than to observe the duration of decomposition, time taken for the decomposition. We have to dig 4 pits. We have to dig 4 pits in the soil. In first pit, we have to take peels of vegetables and fruits and have to cover with soil. And then in second one, we are going to take papers. In third one, cotton cloth. In fourth one, plastic bag. After 5 days, if we observe the first pit, in that all peels of vegetables and fruits get decomposed, means they turn into smaller pieces. And in second one, it will become smaller pieces, means it decompose for some time, half portion, maybe partially decomposed. Whereas in third one there is no change, in fourth one there is no change. And again we have to observe the pits after 1 month. If we observe after 1 month, the papers get decomposed and cotton cloth get partially decomposed, whereas the plastic bags remain same. So if we observe this activity, so the peels of vegetables, they take fastly decompose, papers, whereas decompose when compared, it takes some more time when compared to peels of vegetables and fruits. And cotton cloth, it also decompose for more days when compared to paper. If we observe these plastic bags, if we observe first after 6 months also, it will be remain same. It won't decompose. It takes more time. So due to this slow decomposition of plastic bags, they causes pollution. It causes pollution. Slow decomposition of plastics takes decomposition. So already we know very well, nowadays the plastic bags are replaced. What is the difference between the plastic bags, that means polythene bags we have used earlier and now we are using? There is a difference. So now we are using the plastic bags, they have some more thickness. The thickness is more. So if the thickness is there, then it can be go for recycle. If we use the polythene bags with less thickness, that means it is less than some microns. They have given some measurement government. So the micron is used to measure the thickness of the plastic bag. So micron means 10 power minus 6 meters. So what is micron? Micron is the unit to measure the thickness of the polythene bags. The difference between the polythene bags which now we are using and earlier we are using, the thickness is the difference. If the thickness has the perfect, if the thickness is more, then they will recycle. Again we can use the plastic bag. If it is less than the fixed microns, then it is very difficult to decompose. So they will cause environment. To overcome the environment, to reduce the pollution caused by the plastic to the environment, we need to take some more steps. Government also taken some steps, and they have introduced 4R principle. 4R principle they have introduced. So the aim of this 4R principle is to reduce the plastic, and we have to go for alternative use, and we have to reuse the plastic. We will explain this about this 4R principle later in the next video. Today what we have discussed about the decomposition. What is the decomposition? Decomposition means the process of converting the larger piece into smaller fragments in presence of sunlight, water and oxygen. Now, what is biodegradable What is biodegradable and non-biodegradable? Biodegradable means the substances which decompose easily are called as biodegradable substances. Biodegradable substances undergo decomposition. They will undergo decomposition very easily, are called biodegradable. Whereas non-biodegradable substances are the substances which do not decompose easily. The substances which do not decompose easily are called as non-biodegradable substances. The substances which decompose very easily are called as biodegradable substances. In the previous activity we have done what are the biodegradable substances which decompose. What decompose? Vegetable peels and fruits are biodegradable substances because they decompose very easily and very fastly. Whereas plastic bags are non-biodegradable. Why? Because they take more time for decomposition. What are biodegradable? The substances which undergo decomposition are called biodegradable substances. The substances which can turn into smaller pieces are called biodegradable substances, whereas non-biodegradable substances are the substances which do not decompose. Means after several years, after several days also, if it won't break down, means it won't turn into smaller pieces, then those substances are called as non-biodegradable. Plastic bags are the best examples for non-biodegradable substances. For biodegradable substances, vegetable peels and food waste are the examples for biodegradable substances. Due to non-biodegradable substances, plastic causes environmental pollution. Thank you children for watching this video. After watching this video, you have to read the textbook and also write the definition for decomposition, biodegradable and non-biodegradable.